Go.
You drive me so crazy, crazy, 'cause you're my lady. You're my lady. Nah, scratch that bitch cheated, bruh. She came through with the next nigga, bruh. I'm about to go dumb, that bitch hella scandalous. About to go dumb, about to cut off her hands, bitch. Man, that bitch touching on the next man. I'm about to come through with the fucking best man. The fucking best man, the fucking assassinator. I'm about to come through like a fucking Oakland Raider. Oakland Raiders hella weak this year. Hella fucking fun, I gotta drop 3 tears. 3 tears never killed a nigga like that. But I came through and I had a fat bag. I had a fat tag, a 30 with a 40 with a 30, and I said like a 40 with a 30 with the motherfucking round dick. About to come through splitting wigs. What? What you talking about, bruh? Transition next. Cause she cleaned me up, she said I was the next. But other than she said I was the best. She said, oh my God, cause I'm so blessed. Put my number in the phone so she can send me a text. But every now and then I got a chick in the legs. You know she look good, she fly like a jet. And you know she keep her hood like she was raised in a jet. I go and talk to her just like fresh mint. She ride my bike just like an AJ. Pull it. Okay, wait. I know I messed up. But I'm gonna bring that thing back. Okay, yes, Chris, okay. The truth is I'm ruthless and I spit like I'm toothless. Go dumb like a doofus and your pockets like ruthless. We're unstoppable. I am unstoppable. Put you in the hospital. You will be inoperable. I got 3 reasons why you're not an obstacle. Cause you being me, that is not logical. You beating me, that is not possible. You beating me, that is not logical. Cause I spit hot fire like I'm throwing up the sun. And I drink the Milky Way just to cool out my lungs. I got when I open my mouth and on the moon run. I'm not even gonna try to chew this man. I'm not. Within the hospital, you're gonna be inoperable. Let me hold on. Y'all gotta be quiet, cause I'm about to rap over this beat.
We can rap over it. She rapping, but we can rap over it. I got beat right.